Let's begin by talking about the initiating process. Aligning stakeholders' expectations with the project's purpose is the key activity in this process. This allows me to keep stakeholders informed about the scope and objectives and show them how their participation can help achieve the expectations. It also allows me to define a new project or a new phase of an existing project, which helps obtain authorization to start the project. Within the initiating process, I define the scope and commit the initial financials. I identify internal and external stakeholders who will influence the project. If not already identified, the project manager is selected at this stage. I capture this information in the project charter and stakeholder register.
I see. So a project charter is an agreement that shows important details.
That's correct, Mark, but it also helps in many other ways. Let me explain how. Using Project Charter, I establish partnership between the performing and requesting organizations. It helps me present the business case, which describes why it's worth investing in the project. For example, market demand, technological advances, legal requirements, government regulation, or environmental consideration. I refer to the project scope description, which details the characteristics of the product, service, or the expected result of the project. The project charter also shows how these aspects tie into the business need the project will address.
That was a great start, Steve. I'll now perform initiating activities when I start a new project or a new phase of an existing project. I'll refer to the project charter for the partnership relationship, business case, and product scope description.
Let's now talk about the planning process.